Good morning, children. In equilibrium part 8, effect of pressure on equilibrium. In a gaseous reaction where the moles of reactants and total moles of products are different, if the volume is changed, then obviously change in pressure will be observed and it will affect the yield of the products. So, like a reaction is given to us, CO plus H2 is equal to CH4 plus H2O. 4 moles of gaseous products, 1 of CO, 3 of hydrogen, so 3 plus 1, 4. 4 moles of gaseous reactants and 2 moles of gaseous products, 1 of methane and 1 of H2O. If the equilibrium mixture is kept in a cylinder fitted with the piston at constant temperature, एक piston से fit कर दिया and cylinder में है और उसको press करते हैं, तो it is now compressed and now volume becomes half. So total pressure will be double Q. Why? Because PV is equal to constant, so P varies 1 upon V. If pressure, you see, if volume is halved, so pressure will be doubled. Correct? So total pressure will be double because we know that PV is equal to constant. So the partial pressure and concentration of reactants and products have changed and now equilibrium is not there. Pressure भी change हो गया, concentration of reactant and products is also changed, so equilibrium is not established. Once the pressure is doubled, the equilibrium is shifted in forward direction. So one reaction, if in this same reaction CO plus CH2 is equal to methane plus water, if we want to calculate QC, so yesterday we saw that QC predicts the direction of the reaction. So reaction quotient is equal to concentration of methane, concentration of water divided by concentration of CO, concentration of H2 raised to 3. So as QC is smaller than KC, the reaction will proceed in the forward direction. Yesterday we saw this, where if C plus CO2 is equal to 2CO, C is a solid, CO2 is gas and CO carbon monoxide is also gas. So when pressure is increased, the reaction goes in the reverse direction. इसमें फॉरवर्ड डायरेक्शन में क्या था, QC is smaller than KC. Here we see that number of moles of gas increases in forward direction. You see here 1 mole of gas is there, here 2 moles of gas is there. So when pressure is increased, the reaction will go in the reverse direction. Okay, and because the reason क्या बताओगे, because number of moles of gas increases in the forward direction. Understood, children? So this is effect of pressure, and tomorrow we will go for the effect of temperature. Now one numerical I want to illustrate you, problem number 7.9 of exercise. What is this numerical? 2NO plus Br2, it is given the reaction is 2NOBr, where 0.87 mole of NO and 0.437 mole of Br2 are mixed in a closed container at constant temperature. So product will be found and the product is 0.0518 moles of NOBr is obtained at equilibrium. Calculate the equilibrium and equilibrium पे इनका कितना अमाउंट है NO and Br2 का, ये हमें कैलकुलेट करना है. So the solution is, here we will write solution. Solution is 2NO plus Br2, दोनों गैसेस स्टेट में, will give us 2NOBr solid. So 2 mole, 1 mole and 2 moles. 2 mole of NOBr is obtained from 2 mole of NO. So 0.0518 mole of NOBr is obtained from 0.0518 mole of NO. It is given here, 0.0518 NOBr is obtained. So it is obtained from 0.0518 mole of NO. 2 mole of NOBr is obtained from 1 mole of Br2. 1 mole of Br2. Therefore 0.0518 mole of NOBr is obtained from 0.0518 divided by 2, that is this, divide करोगे तो ये फिगर आएगा, this mole of Br. So initially NO concentration is given to us in the question, concentration of Br2 is also given in the question. Amount of NO present at equilibrium will be this mole, 0.087 mole, एन अमाउंट ऑफ Br2 का कॉन्सेंट्रेशन दे रखा है. ओके, सो व्हाट वी विल डू, अमाउंट ऑफ NO प्रेजेंट नाउ विल बी कैलकुलेटेड. सो NO इज 0.087 जो इसका इनिशियल था माइनस जो फायद में आया, सो इज 0.0352 मोल. सिमिलरली अमाउंट ऑफ Br एट इक्विलिब्रियम जो इनिशियल कॉन्सेंट्रेशन था माइनस दिस इज इक्वल टू दिस मोल. This only we had to calculate. So you note down this question and write in your notebook. Thank you.